here I am in iMovie, and let's say I wanted to create a little bit of visual interest for my video. And I currently have this video clip, okay? I have the video clip already cropped. So the original is all of this, if you look over here, all right? So that's what it would look like if it was playing. I always like to crop it out to kind of, I don't know, take away any visual distractions while I am illustrating a part of my project. Then what I'm going to do is I decided to, when I talk about tearing the piece, that's actually like what I'm saying down here. I wanted to then show a close-up of that. So what I'm going to do is I split my clip right here, all right? And the way that I do that is I find a section. So let's say I was going to split right here. I can hit Command or Control B to break it, okay? And then I delete, and then I would do it again over here. Delete out whatever you want, or just break it the way it was. I'm going to go ahead and undo that because I don't need that right now. Okay. Now, when I get to the second piece, I have cropped it further. So you can see now I'm cropping very close to just where my hand is. And then what I can do is I can even slow down what I'm doing. So if I split the clip again, Command B, or you double tap and it brings up this little window, I can then show my speed editor, also Command R, which I just learned right now. I didn't even pay attention to that before. And I can slow it down for my viewers. So I pull it out. It shows you it goes from being like, this is actually sped up. Do you see the little bunny rabbit? When it turns into a turtle, it is now slower. So let's see what that looks like. On all the parts of the rice paper to separate these dragonflies into three. So that is all you have to do. Now what I do also like to do, I will say, is put in these transitions. This one is set to 5 seconds, or I'm sorry, half a second. I am probably going to change that to 1 second. I think that just allows it to be a little bit more easy on the eyes. I do quicker transitions for other parts, but for this part specifically, I do think having it be a little bit slower is better. Let's try it and see. Hair on all the parts of the rice paper to separate these dragonflies into three. The reason you didn't see anything happen right here is because there's no break between the two parts of the video. So I want to make sure that now when I go back to this one, I will probably make it big again. And now let's see what happens. Hair on all the parts of the rice paper to separate these dragonflies into three. And that's it.